Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Trader Network. My name is Chris. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. We do a $200 monthly giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, go over to our Discord. There is a giveaway section and go ahead and click the beer icon for October. Hey, Oktoberfest. So clicking that beer gets you entered into a $200 giveaway for the month. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So, hope that helps you guys out. I know that it has been tough. We're looking at the market right now. The 7-day has been pretty stagnant. We're 0.4% for Bitcoin, 0% for Ethereum, 1.1% down for BNB. XRP Ripple's down 11.5%. Ouch. Cardano down 12.1%. Doge 4%, Polkadot 4%. So I mean, we have a little bit of movement here, but not a whole lot with the bigger coins, and that's just kind of par for the course. We got a really crappy, I'll say it, really crappy CPI data read last week, where we saw core inflation go up 0.1% over what they thought it was going to do. They were hoping for a 0.1% decrease. So now they're pricing into the market possibly another 75 basis point hike when they hoped they were going to do some easing. And we'll talk about that in an article over here on CoinDesk. But yeah, there's even some talk of a possible 100 basis point hike. So yeah, they still have not got inflation under control, even with these massive rate hikes that they've done. And so we can go and talk about this easing real quick. So Fed pivot may not bring immediate relief to Bitcoin. Battered Bitcoin bulls may be eagerly awaiting the Federal Reserve to move away from its liquidity tightening and offer a lifeline to risky assets. The so-called Fed pivot in favor of easing, however, may not bring immediate relief to the crypto market. That's the message from the S&P 500 historical data, which shows Wall Street's equity index, a benchmark for risky assets worldwide, bottoms out several months after the Fed kicks off the easing cycle with an interest rate cut. So they're saying that we're not even at the bottom yet. And I thought we were, but sure feels like it, that's for sure. Bitcoin tends to move more or less with the sentiment on Wall Street. The Fed has raised rates by 300 basis points this year, wreaking havoc for risk assets. Yes, it has. The U.S. saw 6 economic recessions between 1969 to 2007. In each case, stocks extended losses, falling an average of 28% after the Fed cut rates to stimulate the economy, according to data tweeted by Nick Gurley, CEO and founder of Reventure Consulting. After the Fed pivot, the average time taken to bottom out was 14 months. So they're saying we still could be in for a year before we actually hit the bottom and return to bear market. So yeah, ouch. That is pretty tough, to think about. But on that note, we are back to our $100 dollar cost average. So that is the best way to just absolutely power through this market. And then once our bull market comes back, we will be sitting pretty. We did actually, purchase 100 in ETH again just a couple hours ago. And as you can see, we are now, if you've been following along and you've been putting in $100 a week, we're now over 1 ETH. So congratulations, you are now a full ETH owner if you've been putting in $100 every week for the past, like 17, 18 weeks that we've been doing this. So yeah, we can go ahead and click in here and see what our buy was for today. And so it looks like we had an average price of 1320.81. So we'll go over here and we will fill that in. And we bought ETH. And we bought how much? 0.7571. And then we drag the rest down and we'll see how we're doing for the week. There we go. And today is 10/17/22. I'm trying to be a lot more consistent and just buy on Mondays no matter what from now on. But so yeah, we're still $100 portfolio down, which is rough. Total invested of $1,800. And down 5.61%. But as you can see, we've got a little bit of green coming up here. So, as we purchase in, the previous few weeks where we've been really low, we'll start to see green. So if we crawl out of here and start getting back into the 1500s, then, all these numbers in here will start turning green and, we'll be back into profit pretty quickly. And then, once we get into bear market, then we're talking about major profits. So dollar cost average is absolutely the way to go. and that's the only way that you're going to really make great money during a bear market like this. In my opinion, it's the safe bet. So blue chip cryptos, whether you're buying ETH or you're buying Bitcoin, some of the larger ones, either way, you can't go wrong with dollar cost averaging in. All right, so next we had, last but not least, I should say, Wealth Mountain. A little bit of report I did last week, saw the TVL dropping, and there was a bunch of other people that saw that as well. But it looks like they have rallied, and the TVL has now springed back up and has been increasing. I've been watching this pretty much every day. It's been going up probably 50K a day for the past week. So that is awesome. We were down to, I think, 1.9 million. We're now back up to 2.2 million. As you can see, we've got $705,000 worth of collections still. So doing really well with Wealth Mountain. Let's see how mine is doing. We can go over into current stakes and yield. As you saw, I staked $90. Only 4.2 to max out, so I will be at the 5% in just 4.2 days. So next week, we've been staked for 45 days and unstaked fee of 2%. So we have earned $164.72. So not doing too bad. So again, that is the update on the Wealth Mountain. Like I said, keep an eye on this, but it looks really good. So they had a great rally. Everybody's kind of standing behind this one. There's really nothing else going on. I don't have any other projects for you guys at all. So they are the only game in town at the moment, and let's hope that they keep doing well. So anyway, that's all I have for you guys. Again, if you want to get in on that giveaway, make sure you join us over on Discord. All of that information is in the links in the description below. There's also some links over there for Binance US. I use Binance for all of my trading. As you can see, I have some money over there and keep my my dollar cost average ETH in there. So if you want to get some free money from Binance, go ahead and use that link in my description. All right, guys, have a great one.